walking tayo. We're gonna just to go out. Yan ang area guys, hindi masyado maraming tao. It's not that many people around, Daddy. No. This used to be really crowded area, but I don't know, it's not that crowded anymore. A lot of people, they said, like move around to Sydney and Melbourne. It used to be quite a lot of people here. So maybe we move at the right time, Dad. When we move to Philippines, like everybody also starting to move.
They seen us go, so they say, yes, rock and roll too.
They follow us or we follow them. They follow us because we... So best unless it's still open.
We ran away before everybody.
Yeah. It's very hard because if a lot of people leave the job, makes it harder for us that stay because it's not enough people to do the job. So you gotta do 2 or 3 jobs instead of 1. Lucky that when we left,
That was not too bad.
it wasn't too bad. It was bad enough, but we can handle it. Ito guys, yan.
Getting bad.
Then, doon kami galing, oh. See, ang layo. Naglalakad. Pero hindi naman masyado pag naglalakad ka guys. It's not too bad. So yan, walang tao. Alright guys, we are on our Australian side driving the car. Daddy is driving at the moment, which is the opposite side of the driver. Yan siya guys, dyan siya nakaupo. Si Ron dito nakaupo sa kabila. Yeah. So this is the side where Daddy is driving. This one is full, a lot of people here. On this side. Must be the party
Party there or something.
for Thursday night, but today it's nobody. The cars are empty. Tonight it's full. Yan. Uy, stop. Pedestrian. Ayan guys, ang ano ni Daddy. Dito ako sa tabi niya. That is straight. Do you reckon? You don't want the straight one?
So we just got to go back around there.
Reverse. Okay.
Where's
What?
your window, mate?
Window. Hold on. Lights up. Let's go and buy water. So we are driving Mary's car that we bought for him. He was on green tea before. Ari guys, ang green tea niya. Tapos na siya, hindi na siya green. So nandyan pa rin, baka sa friend niya yan. So ayan, yung sasakyan ni Mati. Aray. Sa key or key? How about that one? Lock or unlock? Let's just try to open. Yeah. Lock. Lock. Did you found? We are going out the car park, guys, and we are actually must wear our seatbelt in Australia. So in Philippines,
It's up to you.
I don't bother.
It's up to you when you see.
Here, see? Nag-giveaway kami guys dito. Here we give way. In Philippines we give way only when the red light. But we give way. In the Philippines we drive, we have to consider other drivers. But here, you have no choice. Here we are. Hi guys, so this is our mini vlog. So naglakad kami ni Daddy kanina. Tapos kumain ako guys, nalimutan ko i-show sa inyo. This is from the Chinese restaurant ng kaibigan ko. Ayan. So, tapos nag-grocery din kami. Tingnan nyo yung mga nabili namin guys. Ayan. Tada! Magkano lang to? $3. Ayan siya guys. Tapos, may binili si Daddy na grapes. Kasi nga, ito, may binili siya na grapes. Ayan. Daddy, are we gonna get more of this?
Yeah, we might get some tomorrow after lunch.
Yeah. Another couple maybe. Oo.
How many in there? How many in there?
100.
100
That's
days,
3 months.
3 months, 6 months.
Yeah.
We'll get another one.
Another couple na.
Yes.
Sige. And then, ito guys, binili namin yung mga vitamins. Normally, $30 siya. Nag-half price. So, okay na yan. Tapos nakabili ako ng lotion na hindi ko rin mabitbit sa plain. Dapat siya i-luggage. So, okay na lang. Ang laki kasi. Ayaw ko magdala ng mga ganito. Kasi marami din akong lotion sa bahay. Nakaiwanan ko to sa mga apo. Yan. So, bumili kami yan guys. Ano pa ba yung mga binili natin? Bumili kami ng chewing gum na iba-ibang klase. Ayan. Iba-iba siyang flavor. Strawberry, bubble gum, bubble mint. Ayan. Tapos yung normal na extra. Mayroon pa dito eh. Ayan. Bubble. 4 sila. Ayan. So, ayan. May mga binili tayo na chips. Kagabi yun. We went out as well. That's last night, Dad. Last night, we bought the thing.
Yeah.
We buy again today.
What's that?
The food.
Yeah.
Oo. So this time nakabili kami ng
Ice cream there.
oh yes, juice. Ayan. Apple juice. At saka yung ice cream, guys. Ayan. Nakabili kami pero dalawa na lang naiwan. Ayan. So ito pala gusto ko tong kainin. Mag-shower muna ako. Yan, bumili kami ng dalawa. Ayun, may isa dito. Ayan. Ayan. So, feeling naman, great naman guys. Tapos ito, binili namin yung mga ganito guys. Kasi, medyo okay siya sa snack-snack. Gusto ko mag-snack ng ganito guys. Ayan. See? $3.50 ang isa. Pero konti lang yung laman. Nasa dollar na tayo kasi. Yan. Nasa dollar section na tayo ng ng part ng mundo. So, hindi talaga natin mapigilan na mag-spend tayo ng dollars. Ayan. So, 4 yan dyan. Nakikita niyo. And then, isa nito. Binili ko tonight. Then, dalawang ganito. Kakainin ko yan. Si Daddy kumain ng Subway. Kumain siya ng Subway niya. So, yan lang naman guys. Tapos, may nabili kami na na shoes, diba? Yung purple na itabi ko na kasi nagamit ko na siya. So, ito naman ang ginagamit ko. Binili namin sa place na tinatrabahoan ni Mati. Ayan siya. So, ito yung box niya. Pero, parang maiwan yung box kasi para hindi siya very good sa mga luggage namin. So, ayan. Yun. Tapos, pag dinala ko siya guys sa Pilipinas, masira lang naman to. So, iwanan ko na lang yung box. Itatapon na lang natin. Kasi, may luggage kami na ganyan. Bibili pa kami ng isang luggage. Kasi parang kulang pabalik. Namili na kasi kami guys ng mga dadalhin. Yung mga ipamimigay sa family and friends. Ano na, namili na kami. Bumili ako ng hair color na ito. Yan. So, magdala ako nito. Kasi nagdala ako last time. Nagamit ko siya. Okay siya. Gusto ko nga siyang gamitin. Papunta sa ano. Punta kami sa kay Andrew. Tomorrow. Ay, not tomorrow. The day after. So, at saka, ayan. Kain tayo ng lint. Na ano. Uy, itong gusto ko. Tinitingnan ko to guys. Yan. Kakainin ko yan mamaya. Mag-shower muna kasi ako eh. Ito siguro. Daddy, you want one?
What's that about?
Chocolate.
No, I have some rice.
You have... Okay, chocolate isa. Ayan. Master Chocolate Collection. Masarap siya para siyang may wine ito.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.